everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Time, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ellie, your host, and with me today is my amazing co-host, Mike. How are you doing today, Mike?
Hello, Ellie. I'm doing great. I'm excited because today's lesson is really useful. It's all about business English and how to talk about sales meetings.
That's right. We'll learn how to talk about sales strategies and how to make and respond to suggestions, just like in real business situations.
Exactly. So if you want to sound more confident and professional in English, stay with us until the end of the episode.
Okay, let's start with the vocabulary you need to know before we start our conversation.
Our first term is drive sales. That means to increase sales. In other words, to sell more products or services.
Perfect. For example, we can say, we need a new marketing plan to drive sales this month.
The next one is promotion. Here, it doesn't mean a job promotion. It means a marketing offer, like a discount or special deal.
Right. For example, let's run a summer promotion to attract more customers.
Exactly. And that brings us to our dialogue. Let's listen to how these expressions are used in a real sales meeting.
Talking about sales strategies. All right, everyone, we need to do something about our sales, and we need to do it now. I want concrete solutions. How do you plan to drive sales, Pete?
Well, maybe we should lower our prices to match the competitors.
Lower our prices? Not very creative. It'll never fly with Son. Anyone have a better idea?
Perhaps a promotion? Maybe a 2-for-1 offer?
That's the same thing. Bad idea. Come on, people, think. The CEO will be here any minute.
Hello, everyone. Do we have any ideas yet?
We were thinking about a 2-for-1 offer.
A 2-for-1 promotion? That's brilliant. Let's consider it.
Yes, brilliant idea. Glad we thought of that. That was a funny dialogue. The manager didn't like the idea until the boss liked it.
Yeah, suddenly it became his idea. But it's great for learning business English expressions.
Let's go through some of those useful phrases.
The first one is match the competitors. That means to offer the same or better prices and services as other companies. For example, we guarantee to match the competitors' prices.
The next one is in the market. It means in the industry. For example, we are the best in the market.
Then there's it'll never fly. This is an idiom that means it won't work or it won't be accepted.
Exactly. You can say that idea will never fly with the boss.
And one more, be here any minute. It means to arrive soon.
For example, the manager will be here any minute.
Finally, we have consider, which means to think about something carefully. For example, we should consider a new marketing plan.
Perfect. Now, let's listen to the dialogue again slowly so you can practice your listening.
Slow dialogue.
We've got to do something about our sales, and we need to do it now. How do you plan to drive sales, Roger?
Maybe we should lower our prices to match the competitors.
Not very creative. It'll never fly with Son.
Perhaps a promotion. Maybe a 2-for-1 offer.
Bad idea. Come on, people, think. The CEO will be here any minute.
Hello, everyone. Do we have any ideas yet?
We were thinking about a 2-for-1 offer.
A 2-for-1 promotion? That's brilliant. Let's consider it.
Yes, brilliant idea. Glad we thought of that. That was much easier to follow. Listening slowly really helps.
It does, and it also gives you time to focus on pronunciation and rhythm.
Let's quickly review today's new expressions.
We learned drive sales, promotion, match the competitors, in the market, it'll never fly, be here any minute, consider, and brilliant.
Excellent. Remember to practice these phrases out loud. The more you say them, the more natural you'll sound.
That's right. And by the way, if you've ever worked in sales or business meetings, you know that confidence and clear communication are everything.
Absolutely. Even if you're not in business, these expressions are great for everyday English.
I agree. And that's all for today's episode of English Talk Time.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
Keep practicing your English every day, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.